Yes guys, so today we're here, we're gonna build up our corner now. Here is our pre-chaos. It's a snow day today. I mean, yesterday was a snow day. The snow is melting right now. It's not so cold. We definitely can work, so we're here trying to get the job done before the weather gets more crazier. Let me take you over here and show you the corner that we're gonna do. So this is the corner. We're gonna work on here today. We're gonna put in this pieces here, then we're gonna put in this piece and go all the way up. This is the section that we're working on right now. Precast go right around our door. We already installed these ones here, and we already did this one around this one here. As you see, it's right there. Video is already uploaded for that. Precast already installed from the previous video. Today we're gonna try and work to bring up this section here, and all of this here are gonna be stone. Before it was brick. The homeowner changed it. Now they want to put stone for the entire front section here, for the entire side section here. Let's get started. So as you see, we have our weeping plastic here. Put our duct tape, very important. This is gonna be our G2. G2 gonna be like that. And our G1 going to be like this. But before we do that, we're gonna make a cut. So we're gonna make a cut right here. That way we can secure our stone onto the wall. So we're just gonna bend our brick tile just like this to concrete. There are several ways how you can do this. More than good enough for me. Gonna bend it, and this we're gonna nail inside up here. Okay, so now we're gonna install our first one. Okay, so now we're gonna start by installing our first stone. Put this one right here. Okay, so before we anchor it, we want to put a wedge underneath, make sure we get everything nice and level. And then once you put everything and level up everything, then after it's done, we can put our nail into it and secure it. Make sure we don't have anything on it. Move this one here. Somewhere down underneath both sides. Here and down here. Beautiful. So over here, we got to do the same thing over here. Perfect. Now we check for square like that. Check for level. See the 100% level. Bottom, make sure it's nice and plumb. It's plumb that way, it's plumb this way. Now we're gonna fill here. You know what, let's secure it first, and then afterwards we're gonna fill it. we're just gonna secure him like this. Down here is the flooring, so we're good. Right on studs. Go back and check. It's beautiful. Here we want to fill, make sure it's nice. Fill properly. The brick. Put it on your head there, right there. Hold on, see it like that. Okay, so we're just gonna put some a little bit of wedge here. Just because of the weight of the stone, so when the weight goes on it, it won't shoot it out of line. Flush your end. Yeah, flush your end. Just have to pick him over a little bit like this. Hold him right there. Put it up like that. Perfect. Good like that. So I'm not gonna nail it yet. I'm just gonna put a wedge underneath here. And I want to make sure we get everything nicely secure first before we put him into this. Secure this one, and then we go get our next piece. Okay, let's go get another one. That's the bottom. You're gonna put your hand on. Okay, yeah, like that. Now we're gonna lift her and put her in place. Good. Mm-hmm. Okay, here, beautiful. Hold it like that. Okay, guys, beautiful. This one is not as heavy as the previous one that we laid. We installed one which is 500 pounds. If you haven't seen that video, you should go and check that one out where Mr. Green could even move the stone. That's how heavy it was. So feel free to go and check that one out. Okay, so we're finished to install our precast. Now we're going to start to lay some stone. We're going to have this one here set, let it dry, sit and dry for a while. And then we're going to come back and patio or a rake joint. Tape right there, that's 18. Beautiful. Okay guys, let's do a bit of jointing. Now we're gonna put the sill right on top of this, and then we're gonna continue on with our stonework. Right after we do our joint. Okay guys, there you have it. I don't want to join this video too long. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. We still have a long way to go. Subscribe, be a part of the team, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.